Today we have our MPC Sample Bluetooth kit. This is going to allow any unit with 1/4 sample input jacks to sample songs straight from your phone via Bluetooth. First, hold down the power button until the blue light starts to blink. You'll see the kit's name appear on your device. Once your phone is connected, you will be able to sample any audio coming from your phone. Hit Sample Record on your MPC sample, then hit the pad you want the sample to go to. Once you got your sample, hit Sample Record again to stop recording. Super simple, guys. Get your MPC Sample Bluetooth kit only at mpcstuff.com.